Hey, what's up guys, it's Jason. Welcome to the channel. Today is a very exciting day because I finally got the Zhiyun Smooth 4, a gimbal born for mobile filmmakers. That is from Zhiyun. And a gimbal like never before. That's from me actually. That's right, I said it and I'm going to tell you why. It feels like Smooth 4 is designed with a mission that is to entirely eliminate the need to operate through menus on the phone and merge the whole filmmaking experience into physical UI. So basically everything you operate and shoot is done through controls on the gimbal itself by only one hand. So let's talk about that. Man, I don't even know where to start. I mean, when I first look at the gimbal, it's a little bit intimidating, to be honest. I mean, look at the buttons. If you used Zhiyun Smooth series before, the first thing comes into my mind, complicated. But don't be fooled by that. Every button is designed with a specific purpose, and once you are over the initial learning curve, it just feels natural. Actually, you can easily get 80% of it by just pressing through the buttons and see what happens on the screen. As a matter of fact, why don't we just do that? Alright, so first to start, what's the most noticeable change on this gimbal? Of course, it's a zoom/focus ring. So by default, you can change the zoom while shooting your video. So you can see right now I'm focusing on the house outside and I'm sliding back, focus on the camera. The house, camera. So it's really easy. And if you click this button, this is called a zoom focus switch button. And you can see that's turned on. And now you can use the same hand wheel to control the zoom. To zoom in and zoom back out. How cool is that? I mean, oh wow. And this is how you can create those vertical shot or dolly zoom. I haven't tried it yet, but Zhiyun has their sample videos on the website. I mean, before you have to use the other hand to slide through on the screen, and that causes shake, of course. And oftentimes, if you try it too hard, it'll flip the phone off balance. And now you can easily do that while drinking your coffee, watering your plants, or making fried rice. Yeah. Okay, next one, menu button. Look at the screen right now, it's so clean. That's because a lot of menus are hidden away. So if I click on the menu button, boom, the menu just pop up on the screen. And you can use the dial here to navigate through the menus and make your selections, just like you do when you are on DSLR cameras. So look at, we have cameras, you can adjust that. And click menu one more, you go back one level. Flash, timer, HDR, white balance. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do here by just pressing the menu button and the dial. Let me just hide those away. We can explore those in the next episode. Next one we're going to try is the control dial. So like we mentioned before, if you're in menu, use the dial to navigate. But if you're not, each of the directions, it serves a specific purpose. So if you click up, it looks like it serves as a shortcut for changing the resolutions and frame rates. So now we're 720, 1080p. Would you look at that? Now we have 4K 60 frames per second support. So kudos to Zhiyun, that's wonderful, that's good. That's awesome. If we click down, okay, that goes into library. If you click left, that is flipping the camera, flipping between the front and back camera. So if you click on right, that's gonna bring up the exposure control. And you can use a dial to control the exposure. And on the top right, we have the display button. If you click on that, it shows a couple parameters for the shooting, like the exposure level, the second, I guess, the shutter speed, the ISO, the white balance. So that's very helpful. Click one more time, that'll hide those away. I really like this UI, I mean, it's really clean. And two more buttons down here is very easy. One is the photo button, you take a photo. And the other is recording, and you can start recording and stop recording, so that's easy. Now this is the best part. This gimbal comes with dedicated physical controls for each mode. Remember on the Smooth Q, it's rather confusing. You have to click like 1 or 2 times, and depends on the mode you're in right now, you're changing into different modes next time. It was pretty confusing. I actually made a video about it. You have to be a master with good memories to operate through those modes. Not anymore on this gimbal. If you switch this to PF, that's pan following mode. And if you switch it down, it's in locking mode, which means it won't change. And on the back here, you have two buttons. Click on the button below, you're going into following mode. And this button here is a shiny new mode. It's called Fungo mode. Now this is to help you shoot fast moving objects, like my cat. If you click on that, the camera moves synchronously with the gimbal at the same speed, so you won't miss a shot. Now you have nowhere to hide. Oh, done with all the controls. That was fast. Like I mentioned before, don't be intimidated by the buttons. You'll be fine in 20 minutes. Oh, just 3 more little things. First of all, it comes with a tripod. And the second, now the battery indicator is always on, and you can easily tell the battery usage. And the last thing is very interesting, and I think it's innovative. Usually when you power down a gimbal, when you're not using it, and when you walk, the phone just dangling around, like hitting here and there, right? And now there's a fixing buckle here. What you do with that is you buckle up your phone. And when you move, this arm won't move anymore. So it's very stable, it's secure. I like that. Alright guys, that's my first weekend with this gimbal. I haven't got a lot of time to explore all the functionalities, but I just want to get myself familiar with all the buttons and show you guys the new control layout. For myself, I really like it. There's a lot of things can be done through the controls and buttons. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll be reviewing this gimbal through the next few weeks. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you guys next time.